What HVAC issues become more common as homes age? Older homes more often develop inefficient heating and cooling, leaky ductwork, failing parts, poor airflow, and outdated controls. As a home gets older, its heating, ventilation, and air conditioning equipment usually loses efficiency because motors, electrical parts, coils, and moving pieces wear down. Dust and dirt can collect on indoor coils, outdoor coils, and blower components, making the system work harder and use more energy. Ducts may develop gaps at their connections, allowing conditioned air to escape into attics, crawl spaces, or wall cavities instead of reaching the rooms. Aging insulation can also make ducts and walls less effective at holding the temperature you paid for. A common issue people overlook is restricted airflow caused by crushed ducts, blocked vents, dirty filters, or an undersized return vent. Older thermostats may read temperatures inaccurately or control the system unevenly, causing some rooms to feel hot while others feel cold. Corrosion around drain pans and refrigerant lines can lead to water leaks, clogged drains, or reduced cooling performance. To stay ahead of trouble, replace filters on the schedule recommended for your system, keep outdoor equipment clear, and have a qualified technician inspect electrical connections, airflow, duct sealing, and refrigerant performance before extreme weather arrives. One mistake is assuming a system is fine because it still turns on, so pay attention to rising utility bills, unusual sounds, short cycles, or rooms that never reach the set temperature. Another mistake is using a filter that is too restrictive for an older system, so check the equipment instructions and ask a technician which filter thickness and rating allow proper airflow. Many homeowners also replace the thermostat first when the real problem is a failing capacitor, blocked drain, dirty coil, or duct leak, so get a complete diagnosis before buying new controls. Never ignore burning smells, repeated circuit breaker trips, water near the furnace or air handler, or refrigerant concerns, because these can signal safety risks or expensive damage. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.